Welcome back to Tonic. Come here. It's midweek. We're halfway through. These are nice. Yeah. Now I want to give you a sneak peek. Join Alison and Leo at 12 o'clock. They're going to show you how to make them. Yeah. This is nice. Love it. So this is your Bevelled star box. So 30 dies in this collection. Absolutely lovely. Now I'm going to have one of these on the top of my Christmas tree this year because this does rock my boat. It's a beautiful presentation box, but I'm thinking, because you've got all those Verso dies in there as well, I'm thinking you could do it for the top of your tree. You could cut those dies into the actual side boxes and have it illuminated with some little battery powered string lights inside, which would look absolutely amazing on the top of the tree. Now inside your packaging, as with all our packaging now, you've got a full cutting guide at the top there. I think that's one of the best things about our packaging now, having that cutting guide. You've got all the instructions inside there, but you've got 30 dies as well. Okay, now, I love my job. I can just have a look at everything, yeah? So as I say, you've got your Verso dies, so you can see that this has got all cut in, yeah? So I'm thinking, if I do this in my colour scheme, I'm a very traditional girl, so really dark greens and reds, yeah? I'm thinking if I do that, and I can have that on the top of my Christmas tree with some battery powered lights in, and it would all illuminate out of the side. So then the shadows of these die cuts I'd get on my grey walls, so it'd all look like a, you know, those projection screens. It'd look lovely. So that one there has been done in all the pinks. Now the lids do come off, yeah, so yes, you can use them as gift boxes as well. Really, really pretty. But you've got all your embellishments in there as well. You've got your ferns in there, you've got your holly leaves in there. I love this one. Love it. Look at that. Patterned papers on the sides, yeah. Absolutely love those colourways. It's vintage, isn't it? It's a vintage feel. But the other one was girly, pretty. This is more of that vintage feel with all those vintage papers in there. Traditionals as well in your lovely reds in here. Little bit modern and funky, yeah, with a, oh, it's pink and green. You know, I don't do pink and green, but hey, look at that one. It looks good, doesn't it? It looks really, really good. Bringing in all those Nouveau drops around the side as well, giving it that little bit of texture. But I'd have to say, Christmas is not Christmas without glitter, is it? Yeah. So look at all those ones as well. Absolutely stunning. So don't forget, midday with Alison and Leo. And don't forget, 4 of you, you've got a chance of winning that goodie bag. And I have to say, it is full. See you later.